Hey everyone, today I'm going to have a look over a sensor that is BH1715. To gain more knowledge about this sensor, let's have a look over the website controleverything.com and search for this sensor. Now let's see what we got. So BH1715 is a digital ambient light sensor, 16-bit 126555 lux, and these are some of its features. You can buy the product from here. For this session, I will be interfacing the sensor BH1715 with an Arduino Nano. For that, I will be requiring a code. So go to Resource tab and here's our Arduino code sample. Click on it and you can download from here. You can also download the code from our GitHub repository, that is Control Everything Community. Now let's have a look over the hardware we require and let's make the connections for them. Well, in the hardware section, first of all, the requirement of is an Arduino Nano, which you are able to see on my screen. Next to it is an I2C shield. The reason why we use this is to make connections with other I2C devices very easy. So gently make the connection of the Arduino Nano and the I2C shield like this, and the connection is good. Now we require our sensor, that is BH1715, and this is a connecting cable. Make the connection of the cable and the sensor like this, and while making this connection, make sure that the ground wire of the cable should be connected to the ground terminal of the sensor, and same fact has to be applied for the I2C shield. Now this is a mini USB cable. It's used to power up our Arduino Nano and gently push it over to the power jack of the Arduino Nano. So we are done with the connections part. Now let's see how the code is going to interface with our sensor. Well, for the interfacing of our sensor, digital light sensor BH1715 with an Arduino Nano, we require the code. For that, go to github.com and here search for the repository, that is Control Everything Community. Get over it and here type it BH1715 and here comes the sensor. This is the required Arduino code. Before proceeding further, let's have a look over the instruction first. For the Arduino, we have to download and install Arduino software IDE on our local machine, and this Arduino link will help us to install the Arduino software step by step. Please do it carefully. Now get back to the Arduino code, and here are we. It's a .ini extension file. First of all, we have included the wire.h library for the functioning, and we have defined the address of the sensor, that is 0x23. In the void setup function, we have initialized I2C communication as master with serial communication and the baud rate equal to 9600. In the writing section part, we have sent power on command to the register 0x01, and we have sent continuous measurement command for the register 0x10. Next, in the void loop function, we have requested 2 bytes and read 2 bytes of data for the ambient light source. Now here we have the conversion for the data for the luminance, which is according to the formula of the data sheet of BH1715. At the very end of our code, we have ambient light luminance and the unit is lux. So this is how the code looks like. Now let's have a look over the working. In the working section part, first of all, we have to copy this entire Arduino code for the sensor BH1715 and open up the Arduino terminal. Here, enlarge it and paste the code and save it. It's BH1715 for the code reference. Now compile and verify the code. Now upload the code. The code is being uploaded and it's done. Now open up the serial monitor for the output screen. Now we have the ambient light luminance in the form of lux. Now when I place my hand over the sensor and slowly move towards it, the ambient light luminance decreases continuously. Instead of that, if I put some light source near it, the ambient light luminance continuously increases, as you can notice. So this is how the sensor works with the Arduino code using an Arduino Nano. Now let's proceed further. Well, we have seen the working of sensor BH1715. This sensor is a digital light sensor with an I2C bus interface. Its spectral responsibility is approximately human eye response, It has a wide range and high resolution along with low power consumption. The BH1715 is commonly used to obtain the ambient light data for adjusting LCD and keypad backlight power for mobile devices. Other applications include mobile gaming devices, digital camera response, and so on. The digital light sensor BH1715 is available on our website controleverything.com, and the Arduino code is available on the same site. You can also have the code from our GitHub repository, that is Control Everything Community. For further queries, you can reach us on controleverything.com, and be sure to post your queries, your comments on our community page. If you want to know more articles and blog like this, you can reach us on instructables.com, and to subscribe more video tutorials, please have a look over our YouTube channel. Now, in the end, you have a nice day, and thanks a lot for the watching.